Customers come to Exactaform when they have issues regarding quality of components and parts, whether with machining metallics, aluminium, composites, Inconels, and their expectations are for us to not only provide a cutting tool, but provide a cutting tool solution. They also come because of our exceptionally good lead times, because they know that we can work within a timely manner that fits their projects, however delivers a quality product.
It's not a one-size-fits-all, because every customer has a different process, a different need, a different product, a different machine setup. So we take account of that and we're able to be flexible in our offering. We can really dig down into what the customer is looking for and make sure that the solution is best for them.
We deliver things in a much different way to any other customer or any other company I've worked for, in the sense that our sole focus is purely the customer, and they get what they need and they get it on time, because it's so important. The costs, the implications that come with failed deliveries quality are huge, so our aim and our job is to ensure that that never happens.
The way that Exactaform helps customers to achieve their potential is with engineers talking to engineers. We're a technical solution company, and there's a lot of collaboration that goes on between our engineers and the customer's engineers. That's to find out the finer details of what the project will involve, how long the project will run for, and then we end up providing solutions. Along that journey, the collaborative part of the journey, relationships are built for future projects.
So once we've worked with our customer to identify their need, we can really optimise the offering to them. But fundamentally, we try and make this as simple for the customer as possible. We bring in the lion's share of the work into Exactaform. We can do in-house testing, we will do cut times, we can do all of the ancillary work that our customers will normally take in-house. We can either support or we can take that on for them. So we really try and make this process as simple as possible for the customers, focusing on the end result.
Within sort of one or two discussions we can move projects on, as opposed to much bigger companies in a corporate world that rely on waiting delays for decisions or for funding and so forth. Everything that we need is basically at our fingertips here to be able to provide a very quick turnaround in tools, a solution, or even a promise that we've made.
So we maintain that we are big enough to deliver and support our customers in the way they need support, but we're small enough to care. And a good example of this is that if somebody needs a really responsive turnaround or lead time on a product, we can establish that, we can do that. But what we also have is the process to follow that up. So we can manufacture a cutting tool today, and tool 1 will be the same as tool 1000 in time to come. So it means we can see that customer all the way through, out of the flames that they're in at the minute, the fire that they're in at the minute, and then right the way through to sustainable manufacturing.
It's not purchasing a cutting tool, it's investing in our technologies to adapt them into the industry. Therefore, our delivery doesn't just come with a cutting tool, it comes with a whole package of work that goes on in the background, such as, I say, cost amortization, utilisation, optimisation. All those things are really important in the industry, and those are one of the big things that Exactaform can offer.